Hi there, it's Wanda from the College of Business. I thought today we could chat about internships. So an internship is any job or employment where you learn the skills that are directly applied to your major or your minor. You can earn credit hours with an internship, but you do not have to. It's not required. So get prepared now. Start building your resume. Make sure that you have somebody review it, which I'll be more than happy to review it, or career advising would be great. But you need to get it built so that you can start to apply for those summer jobs. Make your summer job count. So here's what I need you to do. Once you have your resume and it's built, start your research. Pick 3 to 4 companies that you know you would like to work for. Go on their websites, build your profiles, make sure that they're complete, and set up your job searches. And let everything work for you in the background while you move on to searching out a job platform. So you can choose handshake.com, LinkedIn, Indeed.com, or even Glassdoor. They're all very good sites. Just pick one that's very comfortable for you and start your job search. Make sure that you filter for internships. So last but not least, make Google your next best friend. Use Google to search out different areas. Maybe you're not going to be in Forest Grove this summer. Go to whatever city you're going to be in and search for those internships. Coach Lunt has a copy of my tips and tricks on finding internships and can share them with you. Or reach out to me and let's chat.